Friends, learning as you play is the best way to improve. Let's continue together. Friend, this game starts with the king pawn opening pawn e4, then black give the same answer pawn e5, knight f3, knight c6 and bishop c4. This is called the Italian game. Then knight f6 and white play pawn d4, direct attack on the center. Black immediately take it, and at this point white complete his castling. But white e4 pawn is unprotected, so black own 2 pawns. Then white finishes with his rook and black defends with this d7 pawn. At the same time it is attacking the c4 bishop. Then takes and takes. Oh my god, white bishop is gone. But no guys, you have knight c3, double attacking on the queen and knight. This pawn can't take your knight, because if he does, black will lose his queen on the next move. Yes, that is queen takes queen. So the queens move to a save square and white gets his lost piece back. Now if your opponent is a beginner level chess player, he might make a mistake and he play bishop g4. Then he will be definitely checkmate, because you have knight f6, it's a double check, king d8 and finally rook e8 is a checkmate. Guys, going back, in fact black best move in this position is the bishop e6, then bishop d2 attacking the queen goes to f5. In this position of the game, white plays bishop g5. This prevents black from castling. Then black plays bishop b4 attacking the rook, but white did not care and he captured this d4 center pawn with attacking the black queen. So knight takes knight and queen takes knight. Simultaneous attack on bishop and pawn. Now if black take our rook with his bishop, he will be in even more danger. So going back, here the bishop has returned home and white plays the dangerous move rook d1. Guys, look at the board and see, it's a very critical checkmate threat. So black plays pawn f6. Then the queen sacrifice and next move give a double check. Only on move king d8, again check by knight. Only on move king c8. Then the rook sacrifice and finally another rook d8 is checkmate. Guys, my channel name is Chess Dangerous. I am always create and upload dangerous chess video on my channel. So quickly watch my all big video and improve your chess game. But definitely subscribe to me, because my channel is very small. See you in my next video and always be well. Tata and bye bye.